Jams, jellies and squishes are preserved by sugar. These all are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibits the growth of bacteria which spoil the food. What is the role of sugar? Sugar, it reduces the moisture content which inhibits the growth of bacteria, means it decreases the growth of bacteria and which do not spoil the food. Now next one, preservation by oil and vinegar. These all are the preservatives. You can write about the common salt, sugar, oil and vinegar, chemicals. These all are sodium bisulfate and these all are the preservatives. Now see preservation by oil and vinegar. Use of oil and vinegar prevents spoilage of pickles. Pickle, you have seen that your mother is putting oil in that, or if she do not put oil, then she can put vinegar so that it can live for long time. Because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. Because bacteria cannot live in such an environment where there is too much oil. Vegetables, fruits, fish and meat are often preserved by this method also. Often these vegetables, fruit, fish and meat are also preserved by oil and vinegar, using oil and vinegar. Now next is that heat and cold treatment. How things can be preserved by heat and cold treatment. You must have observed your mother boiling milk before it is stored or used. Means every day our mother is boiling the milk. Why she boil the milk? Boiling kills many of the microorganisms. This boiling kills many of the microorganisms which are present in raw milk. Now similarly, we keep our food in the refrigerator, and we keep our food in the refrigerator because in low temperature microbes do not grow. Because microbes do not grow in low temperature. Now, why does the milk that comes in packets do not spoil? Now here one question is there. Why does the milk that comes in packets do not spoil? My mother told me that the milk is pasteurized. Now what is pasteurization? Here again one question is there. What is pasteurization? Pasteurized milk can be consumed without boiling as it is free from harmful microbes. Means this milk is not boiled, and by pasteurization method this milk is consumed without boiling as it is free from harmful microbes. First of all, how it is done? See the process. The milk is heated to about 70 degrees centigrade for 15 to 30 seconds. How much? 15 to 30 seconds it is boiled up to at the temperature that is 70 degree, and then suddenly chilled, and then they keep it for chilling, and then they store the milk. By doing so, it prevents the growth of microbes. This helps in preventing the growth of microbes. This process was discovered by Louis Pasteur, and means question is there, who discovered the process pasteurization? That was Louis Pasteur. And how pasteurization can be done? Here again means the milk is heated about 70 degree for 50 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and then stored. By doing this, it prevents the growth of microbes, and this process is called pasteurization. Now next is that storage and packing. Storage and how milk is stored and how it is packed. These days, dry fruits and even vegetables are also sold in sealed airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. You can see that nowadays the fruits, dry fruits and even vegetables, these are sold in sealed airtight packets. From the market when you are going, you are getting this in airtight packets. Why? To prevent the attack of microbes and so that it can live for long time. So today we will study about that only, and I have told to frame questions in that, and what are the preservation methods. Again, I am telling you that by common salt we can preserve it, by chemicals we can, by using preservatives, then by sugar, then oil and vinegar, by pasteurization method. So these are the all methods from which by which we can preserve the food. And today, and this is the end of the chapter, and tomorrow we will continue with the nitrogen fixation.